Hi everyone, I think this is a perfect day to paint a snowman. So let's get started. I'm going to start with the head and I'm going to draw a semicircle, which means I'm not going to close it up because you know why? We need to put a hat on our snowman. There was a very famous snowman, you know, and he wore a very high black hat. So there he is. He needs some eyes. So we'll give him some eyes. He's got to have a nose. Does he have a button nose? And I'm going to add his mouth in a minute because I want it to be red. I'm going to make it out of cherries, I think. So let's put our second snowball on our happy little snowman here. There we go. And he needs his bottom snowball. Ooh, that's a big one. Because that snowball has to hold up all the rest, right? Yes, indeed. Now, I think our snowman's going to need some arms, so I'm going to put some sticks out here. And sticks, you know, are wiggly, and they're not perfect. Oh, that looks like a great arm. There we go. I'm using what's called an ebony pencil because I want dark lines so that you can see them. And you might not want to make them quite that dark. You could use just a regular number 2 pencil, a yellow one. Let's see. I'm going to, first of all, I didn't wash my brush out very good the last time because I could tell it has some white paint in it. That was very, very naughty of me because I always wash my brush. I must have been very sleepy the last time I stopped. Now, I'm going to put water all on the inside of the snowman's bottom here, bottom snowball. And I'm going to dab it because I don't want it very wet. And you have probably noticed that, oh, how much fun. I'm just going to follow my line around in the water. The shadows on snow. Some famous painters called the Impressionists taught us that the shadows on snow are blue or purple. You probably have not seen any black shadows. So you test that out the next time you see snow. Now I'm just painting with water inside the second circle. You know what? I've decided I'm going to put a tie on our happy snowman. So if I'm going to put the tie, oh, won't that be funny? Yeah, okay. Now, I'm making it darker on one side. That's the shadow side. That's where it's going to be a little darker than on the right side. There we go. Now it's time for the face. We're going to do the same thing. And I know that I'm going to go over the eyes. So it's okay for me to put blue on top of that. There we go. All right. Now, can you see a little bit of blue in this? I hope so. Let me see. I'm going to make a red mouth. Let's see. Is this dry yet? Because you know what happens when you put wet watercolor, of course, on top of wet paint, wet paper, it runs. It's called bleeding. All right. Oh, what a happy face. Oh, great. We have a happy snowman. Let's see. What color tie shall we give him? Let's make it a striped tie. Let's do green. how fun. What color is your tie going to be? I have a feeling, you know, there's certain times of year that red and green are really happy colors that we all enjoy. So, there we go. Oh, that's fun. All right, now it's time for his black hat. There we go. Oh, it's such fun to paint. Now, I'm going to leave a little white highlight on that hat. Oh, good. This is coming along nicely. I think I really like my snowman. And I'm just letting the black paint follow along that water that I've put on that inside of this stove pipe hat. Oh, look at that. Now, to me it's more interesting because you can see some white and a little bit of detail. Now, we need to give our snowman some eyes. Are they made out of coal? I bet they are. There we go. I'm really dying to give him a green nose, but I'm not. I'm going to give him a pretty black nose. There we go. 3 pieces of coal. And you know, there was a famous snowman by the name of Frosty that had a corncob pipe. They made a pipe out of a corn cob. So let's put that, and we'll do that yellow. That black is going to bleed up in there a little bit. That's okay. That gives it a little detail. Oh, what a happy snowman. Now, I know that Frosty went to a village. So he probably passed a forest. So let's give our Frosty some trees to have gone past. Isn't that a fun way to make, easy way to make a tree? See how I'm doing that? Starting in the middle and just coming out. And then one more branch down there. Oh, that looks like a good tree. And you know what happened? The sun came out. And what happened to the snowman? He melted. He began to run away. So I'm going to make a very hot orange sun with the rays coming out. Do you like to make rays? There we go. Da, 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 da. Because it was a hot old day. And you know what? If he was running away, we need to give him some shoes. So let's put some shoes on the snow for our snowman so he can run away. Oh, I think that'd be fun. What color should we give him? Red shoes? Yes, I think so. Oh, this is such a hard decision. Let's give him black shoes. Shiny black patent leather shoes. There we go. Oh, yeah. Now he can run, can't he? We'll just put those shoes right on the snow so that he can dance and play, right? Oh, happy Frosty. And now we'll just fill this in with a little color. Kind of offset him. Oh, great old Frosty. Just going to give him a little bit of happy color. And I'm not going to let it touch that black because it bled right there. Did you see that? Because I put it right next to paint that's already wet. To a place that's already wet. Yeah. Okay, Frosty. Oh, what fun. I'm going to blot that. I don't want that quite so deep in color right over there. Let's blot that. I like that much better. Just a little bit. So, I think we're all ready Isn't that fun? Oh, I'm so glad you could paint today. So now we have our snowman who can play and run all day. See you soon. Bye.